Let's talk about some other movers here, including shares of Delta. The shares up by 1.5% or so after the company raised its earnings guidance for 2023, as well as its outlook for total free cash flow. Delta noting in a presentation ahead of its investor day that strong demand and trade-ups to more expensive fares, are driving growth. That is a surprise for me personally.
It's happening.
It's happening. People trading up.
Happening, yes. In your experience, you want to make sure that you get the best beverage experience when you're in flight, and especially for
what they mean by trade ups?
Premium.
I guess.
Yeah.
Or is it also like, non-stop versus stops, better times that are a little more expensive? I don't know.
I think it really is in seat. As people are now taking some of the longer trips that they have put off because of the pandemic or because they were looking to save up for that trip perhaps even. Now, as you're on that 6-hour flight, are you going to pay up for a little bit more of a Delta Premium Plus? You probably will. You want the leg space. You want the free drinks. You want the...
Why do I get the feeling you're just speaking for yourself? When you say you want the leg space, you want the free drinks, I think Brad means I want the... See, me...
It's me looking in the mirror and I say that.
I don't need the leg space. You need the leg space more than I do.
I do. I really do. It hurts.
Sure.
It hurts. But the spend shift to services, that's certainly continuing and helping the company here. They denote this on page 8 of their presentation here today, saying that the spending on services is still not fully recovered. That is a boon to Delta. Also, the long-term shift to spending on experiences, if that remains intact and there's more of a prioritization of spending on experiences or services in that regard versus spending on the goods economy, then Delta Airlines, United Airlines, American Airlines, keep an eye on some of those companies, as well as where in the upgrading of some of those service experiences they may be beneficiaries perhaps.
Interesting. I'm going to have to think about these things next time I book a flight.
So the leg space side, you get the good meals, you get like the drink service and...
No, I bring the stuff on the plane with me usually.
Yeah.
Because usually it's not just that you're paying for the food on the plane. It's not always. It has gotten better, but the selection's not great. I don't know. I'm going to do some market research because I am doing some upcoming traveling.
Really?
And I'll report back.